Look at how cool these are. They're like retro. And they're so cool.
So today we're eating WAHOO'S.
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 Thank you, WAHOO'S.
Thank you, WAHOO'S.
So WAHOO'S gave us this meal. Whoa.
Whoa.
There's so much. Oh, drinks.
I'm drinking regular milk. Daddy's drinking mango sparkling water. So let's start with the chips.
You want to start with the chips? Okay, so then we'll just go real quick. Chips salsa, guac, aha rolls, fish tacos. This is what they're known for. So one's spicy and one's regular. And then it comes with rice, black beans. There's Cajun beans, white rice, Maui bowl, bonsai bowl with carne asada. I got this one for you. This is their protein bowl. So this one comes with coleslaw, avocado, but salmon and shrimp because you love salmon and shrimp. It's like the perfect combo for you.
And this is for me too.
Chips with salsa. And then this is
And
their...
this is for me.
And then French fries, yeah. And then and then they also have a burrito. Itadakimasu.
Yeah,
Whoa, so there's so much stuff. I haven't had WAHOO'S in forever.
I love guac. Can I?
Okay, you could have some guac. Yes, I'm gonna try their burritos first because I love their burritos.
Did you try them?
Itadakimasu.
Did you try them before?
I did. I haven't had it in a long time.
I didn't have their chips in a long time.
Oh, I think this is your first time having WAHOO'S. It is. This is their
These chips.
grilled chicken,
Go.
and it's mild. Or they have a spicy grilled chicken too, but I got mild, so Jordan can eat it too. That's good.
B.
Good job. Tortilla. How is it? Nice. They're Baja rollers. Dip it in some of their green sauce. Whoa. Okay, let me try some of this guac and chips. Ooh.
What is in here?
I think there's some chicken, some spinach. I forgot what else, but try it. It's good. Just take a bite. Or you could have, oh, here. I'll switch these around for you. That's good shrimp. Nice. It's like charboiled.
Peppers?
Bell pepper. You like bell pepper? Oh, try the salmon. Oh, salmon and shrimp. That's pretty good. I always remember their rice being pretty good too. Maybe those are beans. Those are beans. Let's try this one. This one's like their vegetable medley, their Maui bowl, I believe, with beef in there. Oh yeah. You like the avocado? Try this one. It's like teriyaki beef.
They try their beef.
Okay. Try their beef. And then this, I believe, is our carne asada. But I like putting salsa on here. It's good, huh?
Their meat is pretty good.
It's nice and soft. And then look at that carne asada with rice.
Daddy, you know what I want to do with my chips?
What? You're gonna dip it? Oh, you're gonna put that on there? That's pretty smart. You get all the flavors out of it. Put some of this on here. That's good. So Jordan, they're called WAHOO'S fish tacos. So we have to try some fish tacos. Look at that. Look how thick this piece of... let me show them. There's a huge, thick slice. Look at it. It's practically all fish. It's huge. Take a bite of that. That's all fish. Oh, that's a big bite. Let me try some of this. I'm gonna dip mine in the salsa.
I like my chips and salsa. Chip and salsa.
Put some shrimp and veggies on there. Let me do this. Add a little bit of salsa on here. Some of their pico de gallo. Right up on top. Whoa. I love WAHOO'S. These guys are good. Jordan, that was your first time having a fish taco. How was it? Did you like it? You are so... Wow, that's a big bite. Whoa. They're like street tacos. They're not the hard shell, they're the soft shells. Oh. Thank you.
This is taco. I think all this is my favorite.
That's your favorite? Even better than the shrimp and salmon?
Yeah.
Whoa. Look at that salmon though. With some salmon and some of their slaw.
But look at that.
That is a lot of fish. That's some pretty hefty fish right there. That's pretty good.
This is pretty good.
I think I like the Cajun beans
The most?
better than the black ones because they have a little bit more flavor. And then they gave us a side of ketchup
Ketchup?
for our french fries.
I read a book and it says, hey, I like my grapes with my ketchup.
Your grapes and ketchup, that's right. You spilled. That was me. Wow. I should have got you more fish taco. So I always like getting side chips because then I like dipping them like this and eating it together. This is so delicious. Man. No carb bowl with their mixed veggies, shrimp, and salmon.
Is salmon a meat?
It's a protein.
But it's not meat.
Well, it's fish meat. So it's like it's from a fish.
Daddy,
Yes.
this is on no fish bowl. No fish bowl.
It is?
There's no fish in
You're
this
right.
bowl. Regular fish taco was good.
You liked it? Whoa. You want to try the other one? I don't know if it's actually spicy. Let me try.
It's a little bit spicy, right?
A little bit. But I think you could eat it. That's pretty good though.
I'm not gonna eat it.
Okay.
The regular one is more good.
Oh. Whoa. So if you guys already don't know, Jordan actually has his own YouTube channel. So you guys can go check out his channel. He does, and he cooks a lot of separate things. It's called Easy Peasy Jordan. He cooks on there. He does.
Sometimes I'll eat it.
But if you guys want,
And
go check it out.
I do Japanese lessons.
Mm-hmm. He has his own Instagram. So you guys can check out his Instagram. He teaches Japanese lessons on there. So go check it out. Out of all of this, what's your favorite?
Also, the fish taco.
That fish taco is really good.
The
Wow.
fish taco was the best in the world.
Are you sure?
I'll say chips.
What was chips?
The chips were delicious.
I thought you liked the fish tacos.
Fish tacos too.
But you always like chips. I actually really enjoy their burritos. What is this?
Ranch?
Oh, yeah. Maybe it's for the rollers. And ketchup? That's so silly.
It looks like we didn't barely eat.
Wow.
Looks
These are
like
good.
we didn't eat anything.
You're right.
Looks like we ate nothing.
I know, but it's so good. We've been eating this whole time. Whoa. This is really good.
Well, why is it still really full?
I don't know. Maybe because you were just eating tortilla chips the whole time.
But there's a lot of tortilla chips there.
You're right. I really like their chips and salsa and rice. They also have these for dessert, or I guess a side snack, but look at that. They're churro chips. Whoa, they're chips with cinnamon sugar on them. How is that? Whoa, look at how much sugar is on here. You're going to be on a sugar rush.
This one's a lot of sugar.
Well, these are good. We want to say thank you, WAHOO'S, for providing this meal. Thank you, WAHOO'S.
Thank you, WAHOO'S.
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 Not WAFOO'S. WAHOO.
WAHOO'S. Thank you, WAHOO'S.
Thank you, WAHOO'S. Thank you again. This was delicious.
Thank you again, Crunch Bros. Bam Bam.
Thank you again, Crunch Bros. Bye-bye.
Thank you again, WAHOO'S. Bam Bam.
WAHOO'S.
WAHOO'S. Bam Bam.
Oh, bye-bye.
Bam 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 Bam.